Now let's crochet the octopus legs. As for the octopus legs, there are a total of 8 short stitches to crochet. Let's hook the first one now. Still the same. Loop needle. Wrap the thread around your little finger. Pull on index finger. Form a ring on the middle finger. Pinch the ring with your thumb and index finger. Crochet through this loop. Bypass. Wild out. Rewind out. Stand up needle. Then in the first round we crochet those short stitches. The crochet method of the short needle is still the same as before. The crochet method of the short needle is the same as before. Crochet hook through loop. Bring the line out. Winding from above. Take 2 coils. This is a short stitch. We have to take 2 in total. Winding out. Rewind and bring out 3米or 4米or. Count 2, 4, 6. 1 is still the same. We pull the coil taut. Okay, on the first stitch. Pull out. In the second circle, we need to hook a short stitch, an extra needle, for a group. A total of hook 3个 loops. (1个 loop 1分钟 as stitch 1 plus stitch 2 groups a short needle an extra needle then end the first stitch pull out winding out, tension, stand up needle, cut off the thread. This is the second lap. The second circle takes the 3到8 circle. We are all on the same page. Hook 9 short stitches, 3到8 circles without adding or subtracting. Hook 9 short needles. Follow the first stitch. Pull out. 2点、4点、6点、8点、9。Well, the letters are all the same hook. Who can tell the 8th circle? Everyone do it by themselves. Let the 8th circle tick here. Stand up needle. Then disconnect it. We are hooking a total of 8. The second. Everyone do it by themselves.